The BenQ SW321C is a superb choice for photographers and video editors, offering a generous 32-inch 4K UHD screen with impressive color accuracy straight from the factory. With BenQ's AQCOLOR technology, this monitor delivers precise color reproduction, ensuring professionals can trust the colors they see. It boasts extensive color coverage with 99% Adobe RGB, 100% sRGB, and 95% P3, alongside a remarkable average delta E of less than 2. The hardware calibration is top-notch, utilizing a 14-bit three-dimensional lookup table for exceptional color blending and accuracy. BenQ's paper color sync technology enhances screen-to-print consistency, letting users confidently match their edits to prints by selecting the right color gamut, printer, and paper type. The monitor's ergonomic design and USB-C connectivity with 60-watt power delivery make it highly adaptable and convenient for any professional workspace.